link belt has a way to adjust the speed and response of the swing, hoist, or winch functions during crane operation. It's called fine metering, and it's a great feature that is built into the Pulse 2.0 display. I'll show you how to adjust fine metering and ultimately how it can help you in your day-to-day operation of any Pulse 2.0 link belt crane. Fine metering helps control the speed and function response of the swing, hoist, and winch functions. It allows the operator to control how fast the function operates overall and how quickly the function operates based on the amount of joystick input. Fine metering is adjusted at the Pulse display. From the main menu, tap the snail icon. There are 4 functions that can be adjusted, including swing, hoist, front winch, and rear winch. For this first demonstration, we will adjust the swing speed from 100% down to 30%. However, it can go as low as 10%. To confirm the change, I need to press the check mark button. In addition, the function response can be adjusted for each function and can be set to 4 predetermined levels. Level 1 will provide slow function response, and response will increase as the level number increases. Press the greater function response button or lesser function response button to adjust the function response for the selected function. Now let's see the difference in swing at 100% speed and the swing at 30% speed. Back at the Pulse screen, I will change the rear winch speed from 100% to 30%. Once again, I need to select the check mark button to confirm my changes. Let's see the difference in the full winch speed and the speed reduced to 30%. The Pulse display will communicate that fine metering is enabled when the snail icon is illuminated on the top half of the display. To disable fine metering, press the X icon under the settings for any of the functions that have been adjusted. Fine metering can help with winch speed and swing, but this can easily be utilized with your hoist functions as well. This gives the operator the ability to adjust according to their needs and comfort for good operation. More information on fine metering for your Pulse 2.0 crane model can be found in Section 1 of your operator's manual.